Today I'm making basic French toast for one, and here are the ingredients that we need. You need 1 egg, I've got 2 tablespoons of milk, and 2 slices of bread. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. Alright, our first step is to break our egg, and we'll get our milk in here. There are many different variations for French toast, and this is French toast in its simplest format. Alright, that's good. We got it nice and fluffy, so that's our first step. Alright, I've set up my little hot plate here, and I've got a small frying pan, and the first thing that I want to do is I'm just going to take some pan, or you can take some butter or margarine, and I'm just going to lightly coat the pan. So I'm just going to do that off camera over here. Alright, there we go. And the first thing now, I'm going to take my bread, and I'm just going to quickly place the bread into our egg milk mixture, and I'm going to pop that right in, just like that. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to wait for it to brown on one side, and then we're going to flip it over. There we go. So I'll let that go for a second, and I'll be back. Always just take little peeks and make sure that your French toast is not burning. When it's done, just flip it over. There we go. And just let it go. So I had that cooking there for about maybe 45 seconds or so. So we're just going to let this go. Alright, that's beautiful. So there we go. So that's number one. So let's get that onto our plate. And we will do the same thing again with our second piece of bread. And you can basically see here, this recipe is good for basically one person, or if you're going to share this with somebody, then they'll get 1 French toast each. Just make sure you sop up all of the moisture here, and we'll pop this back into the fry pan, and we'll let that one go. Make sure your fry pan is not too hot. You don't want to burn it. You want to be able to cook through the entire toast, but you don't want to have it burnt. So just keep an eye on your temperature. If it's browning too quickly, turn your element down. Alright, I'll just let this go, and I'll be back in a second. It's about 45 seconds later, and I'm just going to flip that over. There we go. And I'll let that go. And I'm actually going to turn off my element now, because I've got enough residual heat in there to last me to cook through the entire toast. So I'll let this go, and I'll be back when I plate it. I'm just going to let it cook through. Another minute or so. Alright, let's check it out, and it looks good. I'll just show you the other side. There we go. And that's it. That's our French toast. So I'll just get some syrup for that, and some icing sugar, and I'll show you how I plate this. Alright, I'm back, and I just want to plate up my French toast here. So we'll just put down a few blueberries. There we go. Maybe a few more. Alrighty. We're going to put some pancake syrup on here. And to end off, a little bit of powdered sugar. And there we go. Super easy French toast. This is a basic French toast for one. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.